So today we're going on a steam train.
Choo choo!
Yeah.
This is my kind of exciting activity here, so shut up, the pair of you.
A childhood bucket list for me after watching Casey Jones. Some of you who are not my age won't remember Casey Jones, so here's Casey Jones.
Casey Jones, steaming and rolling.
He's steaming and rolling. But my favourite programme when I was a kid. And today we're going on that train. Well, not that train, but a train just like that. My head feels good today. I'm in a good place. So, happy smile today. There's no need for that.
Let's go and get a train. Sorted. We've got 15 minutes to get there, come on. He's got his hair gel and his mirror. 2 minutes to spare. Oh, you got, was there a fee on there?
Damn it. Glad we got the tickets, because it's busy. He didn't have the mic on. He messed that up.
He didn't have the mic on?
No.
What a tosser.
I hadn't finished doing my checks, so now I've finished doing my checks, and the camera's on, the mic's on. I haven't quite got that right, that's better. So today we're going to Silverton, where we're going to go to a little bar called Handlebars. And with me are my two accomplices. Accomplices? Accomplishments? Accomplices?
No.
No. Accomplices.
He pulled again last night.
Did he pull again last night?
He did.
Was she another nutter?
She was a bit crazy, but
Yeah.
the old piano bird was all over him.
Well, is that why he wants to go back tonight, is it?
Yeah. He's obviously got a glow about him now that's attracting all the women.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Why would I have a burger when I've got a steak at home?
Since he's fell in love, he seems to be attracting all the ladies.
Mind you, they are twice his age and crazy.
Yeah, she was 84, but...
There's a third one down here. Most people don't go to the third one.
Some of you need to keep your eye on those three bad guys that got on there at the end. Bad boys always sit in the back of the bus.
Full gauge railway that we're on. It's a narrow gauge railway, 2/3 of the size of a full one really. The track's 36 inches opposed to 56.5 inches. That's just to get round the mountains, but obviously when they built all this, the stagecoach died.
Three wise monkeys. Well, one wise monkey. He doesn't know now.
No. I've got no idea what you're on about.
Alrighty, my name's Russell. I'm going to be your rear brakeman today. There's a few safety things I'd like to go over with you guys before we leave. First of all, and probably most importantly, the restrooms for this coach will be the head end of the coach right behind you, right inside that door on either side. Use those whenever you'd like. There are 2 restrooms in every enclosed coach on this train.
So, we was in that pool yesterday.
I make a date for golf, and you can bet your life it rains.
Yeah. And there was this smart woman in there, and she was saying how beautiful it was, and that she's actually staying there as accommodation. It was $200 a night. And Steve pipes up and says, yeah, we're staying in the campsites. It's actually costing us like $30 for the 3 of us. She turns around and says, but you don't get this, do you? Steve quickly replied, yeah we do, we're in it, we're here now. Oh my god. She was like, yeah, but damn it. No.
But nothing, $15, not $200.
Yeah.
to? Ah, hello, I'm talking to him. You're talking to us. This is awesome. It beats the London to Euston. Start again. This is awesome. Beats Northampton to Euston. Don't worry, I'll cut that bit out. Cut it out.
Anyway, where's our cider and Jack Daniels?
Woohoo!
Oh, they're hot. I didn't know that.
Hot apple cider, Jack Daniels.
There you go. He drops one of those. Look where you're going. I'm bitching at you for good reason.
I know. And rightfully so.
I know, just
and if I do drop one, it's going to be yours. Anyway, Neil's dumped us. He's got a new best friend.
He has, yeah.
Tour guide was just telling us in the middle out here is where some of the rich and famous come and stay, and there's only one way into it, and that's by helicopter and train. Now I don't know about you, but there's three kinds of people in this world: those who can count and those who can't. That's the first bit. We just got here to Silverton. I think we're going to chill out here for a few hours, got some dinner, get ourselves some beers, and turn around and head back.
What a train ride through proper Western country, cowboy country.
Something broken?
Yeah, a couple things.
Oh, what's happened?
Well, the injector doesn't work and our firebox doors are broken.
Oh no.
Well, we'll fix it up here.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Bucket List Boys rode into Silverton. We said hello to the sheriff. Annabelle, in we go, boys.
You hungry?
Oh,
I'm hungry.
I could do a bit. The bar will be good. Those three at the bar will be good.
Hey mate,
The barmaid gave you some good head there, didn't she?
she gave me really good head. I mean, we're walking fast. Look how far ahead he is of us.
Do you know why? Because he's found somewhere where we can have one of his magical cigarettes that make him feel better.
Come out here for 5 minutes, please. And here they come. Yui and Finlui. How are you? Fly the drone. Get over there and fly it.
Good day in Silverton.
Oh, it's fantastic. A little bit of a walk around.
Woo. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Fantastic day.
Awesome day.
Awesome day on the thing. Where's Neil? There he is. Oh, Neil's with his new friend. He's left us again.
Jason from Iowa.
Hi guys.
From Iowa.
Subscribe to the Bucket List Boys.
On YouTube.
I know I will be on YouTube. How's that?
That was fine. He's done this before, hasn't he? Where's Neil gone?
I think he needs another one of his
He's
special
rushing off back to the
cigarettes.
car, hasn't he? Yeah.
Needs a bit of a...
Well, he popped out for now and he had to buy an ape, didn't he?
He did.
Don't forget to Don't forget to subscribe to the Bucket List Boys. Subscribe to the Bucket List Boys. Don't forget to I can't say it.
You can. Yeah.
Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the Bucket List Boys. At them on Instagram. The Bucket List Boys UK.
Wonderful.